Am I the only one who stared at that blinking fridge panel, totally confused? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Let's figure it out together. First, don't panic. A flashing control panel on your Samsung fridge usually means it's trying to tell you something. The most common reason? Power loss. If your home just had an outage or you unplugged the fridge, the panel blinks to alert you. Simply press any button to reset it. Next, check if the doors are fully closed. Even a tiny gap can trigger those flashing lights. Make sure nothing is blocking the doors like food or containers. If the panel is showing specific numbers, it could be an error code. Look up the code in your user manual, or just search it online with your fridge's model number. Still blinking? Try unplugging the fridge for a minute, then plug it back in. Sometimes electronics just need a quick reset. If none of these steps work, it might be time to call Samsung support. Remember, most blinking panels are just your fridge's way of asking for a quick checkup. Now you know what to do next time those lights start flashing.